Hello guys! I am Fiona Reyes Sipor sa inyo. I'm the teacher Sipor class. So today we're going to demonstrate how to do soldering process.
So first, ang need muna natin gawin is mag-cut ng mga solid wire using pliers into 2-inch. So, eto na lahat yung mga nakat namin. So, after namin mag-cut, dito na namin sisimulan ang pag-solder using soldering iron. So, ganyan lang kadali guys kung paano mag-solder. Basta palagi lang mag-iingat and gumamit ng gloves para i-protect yung ating skin. So, this is the final product. So, ito yung mga ginamit namin. Soldering wire, paste, and of course, the soldering iron.
So that's all for today. Bye!